Unti-unti na natin nakikita ang pagbabago ng municipality of Salug. Sobrang nakaka-proud that Salug is taking a big steps towards sustainable development in both tourism and economic. 11 months ago, binuksan ang Salug Public Market or SPM. Nowadays, meron ng iba't ibang shopping center katulad ng Amigo Capital at ng Tricia Shopping Center. Ngayon ay pupuntahan natin ang The Rising Boulevard of Salug, Zamboanga del Norte. My name is Aaron, ang baklang Makata. Join me as we take a closer look at the Rising Boulevard of Salug, Zamboanga del Norte. 6 years ago, December 2017, when Salug experienced the Super Typhoon Vinta, many lives have lost. Sobrang nakakatroma ang pangyayari at habang buhay itong nakatatak sa mga lumad sa lugnon. Kaya ngayon, sobrang paghahanda ang ginagawa ng lokal na pamahalaan upang di na muli maranasan ang mga gupit ng bagyo. April 2023, sinimulan ang construction of river control at ang The Rising Boulevard of Salug, Zamboanga del Norte under the administration of William D. Maribojo. As you can see, all hands on deck here. Machines and workers are busy transforming this place into a promising attraction. Umaga at gabi, they are working. Sana nga lang ay may mapanayam tayo sa kanila. The moment I saw the post from Salug, Zamboanga del Norte and Honorable William D. Maribojo FB pages, I felt excitement towards this project. Sino nga bang hindi mai-excite na sobrang ganda ng illustration nila? Walking around the site, you can already feel the potential of this place. I can imagine people strolling, kids playing, vendors selling local delicacies, and everyone is enjoying the view of the sea. Hindi pa tapos ang project, you can see the excitement of Salugnon for this one. Everyday kasi may makikita kang nagjo-jogging at marami talagang tao ang bumibisita. Just like our family that almost every day we visit the site just to see the improvement. But people should be aware of safety precautions kasi sobrang delikado pa rin talaga para sa lahat ang hindi maging maingat sa sobrang taas ng proyekto na ito. You can already enjoy the sunset view, whether with your family, friends, or a special someone kung meron man. My parents loves jogging in the site. According to them, this is enough to do exercise every day for a healthy lifestyle. Construction projects like this are not just about building structures, but they're about building community spaces, boosting local economy, and creating new opportunities. I'm so lucky, you already know. Now, Salugnon are confidently feeling safe. For this assurance, surely we can never experience the same tragic again. This place became a practice area for Tribu Hinigalayon DBC of Bye Salug and a perfect hotspot for recombobulating. Let me know kung proud ka sa improvement ng lungsod na ito. Comment it down below. That's it for today. Can't wait to see this Boulevard come to life and share it with you all. Don't forget to like, share, follow, and subscribe for more updates. This is Aaron, ang baklang Makata of Salug, Zamboanga del Norte. Until next time, see ya!